Labafetu, can we please talk about Sipho Chain and the vital role he's playing at Pirates? I don't know if anyone else noticed this, but there was a moment in the game where we had a free kick and Dusibisi was there in the wall. Sipho Chain was the first player to notice that there's no need for CBC to be in the wall when we are in the attacking half, as we are defending a 1-0 lead and anything can happen. This guy has a standard and he wants to keep clean sheets all the time. And look who came to the rescue when Chipa got that one opportunity. If this goal went in, it was over. It was going to be 1-1. We were going to be under pressure. The ball was cleared. He was still alert to make a double save. And that is why he always demands the best. And a lot of people misunderstand him. We need Sipho Chain. Not everyone is going to be soft in the team. We need the players who are going to call everyone out. And Chain is one of them.